19. This is Ananya. The controversy surrounding the ban on meat shops during Navratri has reached a fever pitch in MP following similar demands in Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Let's have a look at the report. The debate over banning meat shops during Navratri has now intensified in Madhya Pradesh after similar demands in Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. The issue has sparked political tensions between the BJP and the opposition, with both parties taking strong stands. While BJP leaders support the ban, citing religious sentiments, opposition party including Congress argue that such restrictions affect livelihoods and infringe on personal freedoms. Meanwhile, members of the Muslim community have expressed concerns, stating that such moves unfairly target their businesses. The controversy has led to heated exchanges between political leaders, making them the meat ban a significant electoral and social issue ahead of upcoming festivities. That's all for now. For getting more details, stay tuned and keep watching News 19. News 19. This is Ananya. Delhi Assembly gears up for a fiery debate today as the ruling and opposition parties are set to clash over the contentious CGA report. Let's dive into the details. A heated session is expected in the Delhi Assembly today as ruling and opposition parties prepare to clash over the Comptroller and Auditor General report. The report, which highlights alleged financial irregularities, has become a major point of contention, with the opposition demanding accountability and ruling party defending its governance. Given the political stakes, intense debates and disruptions are likely during the discussion. Security has been heightened in anticipation of protest and uproar within the assembly. The opposition is expected to target the government on key financial issues, while the ruling party may counter by accusing the opposition of politicizing the matter. With tensions running high, the session is set to be battleground for political rivalries. That's all for now. For getting more details, stay tuned and keep watching News 19. Welcome to News 19. This is Ananya. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee faces many problems when she was at Oxford University. What was the matter? Let's dive into the details. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee faced protests and repeated disruptions from the audience members during her speech at Oxford University's Kellogg College. A group of students raised slogans and pointed questions at her regarding the KG car doctors case and post-poll violence in West Bengal, asking her to go back. A defiant Banerjee continued to respond to the allegations, but when the event took a dramatic turn, she responded to the heckling by holding up an old image of herself from the early 1990s, showing her bandaged head, claiming it to be the proof of an attempt to murder by the opposition. "First, see my picture. How an attempt was made to kill me," she said. That's all for now. For getting more details, stay tuned and keep watching News 19.